Hello and welcome. Today we'll be talking about strings. How strings are constructed in Python. And we'll be going over a number of different ways that strings can be made. If you remember in our previous class, we discussed strings as any character that are enclosed in single quotes, double quotes, and strings can also be multi-lines. And for the multi-lines, you can put them in triple quotes, single triple quotes, or double triple quotes. So we'll start showing different examples of how strings can be constructed. So remember, any character that is enclosed in code are referred to as string. So for the very first example, we'll write welcome to Python class. If it's left this way and you click run, the computer will not know what it is and will complain. The IDE PyCharm will not know what it is and will give a syntax error. To make this a string, all you have to do is come here, put a single quote at the front, and put a single quote at the bottom, at the end. So what you have done here is you have created a string, and the string we have here is welcome to Python class, which is enclosed in single quotes. So here I'll comment say example of string using single quotes, right? And you may as well use double quotes to create a string. All you have to do is create double quotes. You can say the ID, the PyCharm, as put the double quote at the front and one at the bottom and one at the end. Sorry, why that keeps saying at the end. So all we have to do is this is another example of quote, right? And I will come here, comment and say example of a string using double quote, right? So the similarity between the first example and the second example is because is that both strings are contained on one line. In a situation where you have multiple quotes, when you have multiple line strings, say for example, say in this example, comma, will we we would give a multi-line string. Did full stop? You come here, and I'll say this is the second line of this string, and come say this is the third line of this string. So in this example, we have created what we call multi-line strings, and for it to be recognized by the by PyCharm, you have to put single triple quote at the front and single triple quote at the end. You can say everything is okay. If you run it, it gives you what you have written, right? Let me make a space, a new line, so that this can be easily understood to avoid any confusion. So I would say this is a multi-line string using triple single quote, right? So in this example, we have used single triple quote to create a multi-line string. And if I copy the same example that we have used here, I can come here, I can come here to create strings using double triple quote. So watch one, two, three there, and you come here and you say one, two, three there. So this would be an example of using, so I'll say multi-line strings using double, triple quotes. So the first example is using single quotes to create a string on the same line, and the second one is using double quotes to create a single line string, and the third example is using single triple quotes to create multi-line strings in this example, and the fourth one is using double triple quotes to create multi-line strings in this example. Thank you.